Okay, so I got a few different things that I ordered for the car so far. Nothing major, just a couple of cosmetics, really. I already opened these because of the smoked side markers on the bumper. They already come with bulb and everything, which is pretty neat. Pretty cheap made, as you can tell, but they should hold up. And I believe those are the smoked front turn signals on the bumper. Let's see, make it easier. Messy peanuts, of course. Clean that up later. Let's see. Oh, come with bulbs too, which is nice. I'll probably switch them out for LEDs though. And then I actually ordered a intake, because why not? I don't always order these, but I mean the tubes are nice. Sometimes the filters are nice. Sometimes I'll just replace them with a nicer filter, but sometimes they're not too bad. Coupling for the breather to the valve. This is the filter and the tube. The tubes are usually good quality, which this one, it's a 3-inch intake tube. I'm having trouble focusing with the camera right now, but doesn't look too shabby. Another cone filter. Not too bad, should last a little bit. Hard tunes, racing, yeah, I don't know. It's not too bad, probably just swap it with the K&N eventually. Alright, so I'm just gonna go about installing these first, since probably just the quickest. This is about the only angle I can get of it, because I'm pretty close to the wall here in my driveway. But I'm gonna install these real quick. Just need a screwdriver. And it already comes with the bulb. There we go. I thought this came out all together as one, but it doesn't. You got paint. I don't have paint, so I don't care. Stick that out as and that's that for that. Look way better than the Amber in my opinion. On these cars anyway. Yeah. I need to send that off, but okay, I'm gonna go about installing the smoke turn signals. I've never done turn or pretty much anything on this year of Prelude, so I'm assuming there's a screw behind this grill or something. Alright, I got it unscrewed. But there's like a little like guide thing. I can use that extension that I was using. But it's like in there. It's kind of a bad spot. Alright, I finally got this one in. A little bit of a struggle. I had to buy a new like retainer clip thingamajig, because I lost the other one in this pile of rocks and I could not find it for nothing. I just used one of these. I have extras in case I ever lose another one. That's how that's looking so far. Pretty good. It'll look better once it's car's one color. Still undecided on getting fogs. I'm gonna for sure get fogs. I just don't know if I'm gonna get the yellow tinted or just regular clear. So I'm not sure how to look yet. Maybe I'll just get both because they're cheap enough to get both and just go with one until I like it or dislike it. I don't know. For the intake, pretty straightforward. Got one Phillips right there on that band, one of the breathers, and pretty much just taking off your box. That'll pull off. It's not even really on there technically. That's it for that. I'll do that real quick. Mine was already taken off previously, I guess. Usually there should be a bolt right here and right here. I guess previous owners already, I don't know if he's had an intake on here or he or she. That box thingamajig still in the bumper. Okay, they give you the main coupler that goes to the throttle body. To like bolt it down to make it sturdy. I never really use those unless I could find a good spot. And then 2 hose clamps. One for to go on the throttle body, one that goes on the intake itself. Should probably flip these around. The little breather hose, you can actually just cut it to size. And there it is. I mean, it's pretty sturdy for what it is. It's not gonna go nowhere. You can actually put like those little breather filters there, but I've done that a few times, and they like melted and like the filter like fell off, and that's pretty much what I'm gonna do for everything that I got in today. The blinkers, these actually came with red bulbs for some reason, so I'm actually gonna go swap those out. But other than that, everything turned out well. I'm not sure what I'm doing next. Maybe fog lights. I'm not too sure. It might be a couple weeks. But that'll do it for today.